Is your RV's AC humming but not turning on? Then keep watching. 1, get a multimeter with an amp clamp. I like my Klein CL800. 2, set your meter to AC amps, head to the roof and find the compressor on your air conditioner. It's the black cylinder, you can't miss it. 3, if you're on a Coleman Mach air conditioner, wrap your amp clamp around the black wire. And if you're on a Dometic, wrap it around the blue wire. 4, if that reading is doing this, trying to ramp up and then coming back down to 0, ramping up, back down to 0. That is classic bad capacitor. Switch that bad boy out and you should be good to go. 5, if you want to learn more stuff like this, check the link in the description for a free guide I think you might be interested in.